即係有啲混型咯。
China version 嚟嘅，連槍先準食㗎。
I'm gonna get very dramatic. Excellent. So the Diablo, the original was created in New Orleans in the late 1800s. I learned how to do this at the William Tell. Yes, one of Vancouver's first fine dining restaurants.
Yes.
Doors opened up in 1964, but closed in 2010. I worked there from 1998 until 2010, and we did all the table sides there, Creme Suzette, Cherry's Jubilee. But the boss is the only person allowed to do the Diablo because it can get a little bit dangerous. So last summer, my former boss contacted me and asked me if I wanted to purchase the original Flambe set from the restaurant. So this is the one from 1964, and I've been doing this Flambe ever since, pretty much every night. What I'm doing right now, I filled an orange and a lemon. I will spear the orange peel with cloves, and all of this will be used to infuse into the liqueur. I'm not getting sprinkled. So that was Thank you very much. We'll start off with just a bit of brandy.
Just a little bit.
Of course. Enough for 7 people.
Okay.
And some Cointreau. Once again, just a little bit. To this I add some sugar. A bit of brown sugar. We'll let this caramelize. The orange peel with the cloves. Then the lemon juice. You can smell the cinnamon and the cloves.
Every staff member's phone number.
I'll leave my card with everyone. Yeah.
Phone at 3 a.m. if anybody is not decaf.
Absolutely. And you can come by for more coffee. So this coffee in the end is a lot more citrus. There's not much coffee in it. I will add coffee eventually. add a little bit more Cointreau just to make sure everyone gets nice orange flavor.